स्मार्टफोन्स मिलेंगे कि नहीं मिलेंगे, कितनी मुश्किल होगी। तो वो सब बैरियर्स ब्रेक करने के लिए, वो सब मिथ्स करने के लिए हमारे पास हमारे आज की स्टैंड अप इंडिया बेनिफिशियरी हैं मिस स्वाति पोपली. Swati Popli is a company secretary and a lawyer by profession. She is working for 10 years in this field. She has also authored a book on corporate law. In 2020, her husband and two other partners, they formed Swastike E-Services LLP and started an app for online supermarket, Fresh E-Zone, a daily grocery platform. Within a period of 6 months, Fresh E-Zone is now serving more than 500 and plus users, 25 societies of Jagatpura and Pratap Nagar in Jaipur. So we would like to invite Swati ji, and before that we would have a video of her. Naman, the video please.
Naman, you can unmute yourself for the audio.
What, ma'am?
Unmute yourself. Yeah, switch it on. We can't hear the audio. Yes, we can hear. Please increase the volume.
Yes, Swati ji.
It's our pleasure to be here, and we are glad that you chose us for sharing this experience on your platform. Thank you so much. So, as Shivani ji introduced, this Fresh E-Zone is an online application. It is available on both the platform Android and iOS, as Mishra sir also explained that there are two platforms. It's basically an online supermarket where we provide customers a one-stop solution for all the daily household needs, be it milk, dairy products, fresh vegetables and fruits. Hello, am I audible?
Yes.
So everything is there on this application. Basically, our business is based on a micro delivery concept, and we are happy to share that we are the first company providing this service in Rajasthan, specifically in Jaipur. So to tell our story, the idea of Fresh E-Zone was there in our mind since long, and we knew that it's a very big project which require an organized approach, huge funding and unlimited product range. And that's where we used to get stuck, as we were working in Delhi NCR, leaving everything here and starting a new business in our hometown Jaipur with minimum investment of 60 to 80 lakhs, because this kind of business requires huge investment. This required some courage. In 2020, during COVID time, when we came for work from home to Jaipur, because we were actually living in a society in Jaipur and faced the issues of low supply of essentials during those days, when we did not want to go out in the risky COVID environment for buying our groceries and veggies. I clearly remember that our local shop was closed for approx 2 months, because that there were also COVID fear and very limited varieties of product available nearby. So as a result, we had only option of going to DMart, where there were long queues if people must have gone to DMart or Big Bazaar during that time. Lot of queues, no space. But at times you have to stay there for 4-5 hours, and then you get your grocery fulfilled. Then we have online platform like Grofers, Big Basket, where they used to provide delivery slots. But there were time lags, like when we order today, we will get delivery in 4 to 7 days. So as all big leaders say, business is all about solving problems. So we saw this problem and decided that moment that it's the right time we should bring our idea of micro delivery in Jaipur, when even with a small warehouse, a limited range of products and maybe limited area. So this micro delivery concept is basically, this is a concept where it's a delivery, daily delivery system targeted mainly for the customers who are living in society, where you will get daily orders. Suppose 20 people in the same society are ordering daily, and we need to go to a society, single society, between 5 to a.m. tomorrow morning, and to deliver our order. So if you have 100 customers in one society, 20 of them may order daily, and you have to go to one society. That's where the concept comes of micro delivery. So when we decided to go ahead with this dream project, we researched, and the first step for us was finding a good company who can make our application. As Mishra sir also said, that the basic thing in an online platform is making an application, because we were always having a vision of targeting this application to compare it or compete with Grofers or Big Basket in futures, and now JioMart is also there. So arranging, this was the first thing. Now the second important thing, or it's the same important thing which we are talking about in this session, arranging for funds. This was for, for making this application, for basic infrastructure of our warehouse, stocks, initial working capital, promotion, everything we required funds. We researched a lot about the companies who were already in grocery, making grocery related applications. And I'm sure a lot of people have this misconception that an application can be made in 5,000, 6,000. So to clarify, application making starts from 20, 30,000 also. But let me share with you, our application cost, trust me, I mean, today till date, we've spent 5 lakhs on our application, and I can vouch that it's a best application till date. And to upgrade it, we need funds for, spending on more and more innovation in this application. Because, understand, the customer, for customer, this application is the face. So just like a local shop, if you go to a shop and that owner is not available, or, if it's a supermarket and things are cluttered, there is no systematic sign where the things are, where the category, which category are going, we would not like to go there. Similarly, if our application for whatever product we are saying, so in our case, it's a grocery, if that application is not good in its visual or functionality, the customers will not come, or they will not stay. So the main important point when we are, starting a business, which is through an application or website, my personal recommendation is don't compromise on its look, visuals, as well as functionalities. क्योंकि आपकी दुकान है अगर साफ सुंदर और अच्छी नहीं दिखेगी तो लोग ज्यादा दिन नहीं आएंगे. Then the Startup India scheme actually came as a rescue for us. When we were actually struggling how to move ahead, how to start, we were having our own limited savings from our jobs. But when we need to start a business, we need funds at least for 1 year survival, because income will not start generating from the very first day. You need some survival funds for at least 1 year of your business plan. Though our project needed actually minimum of 60 to 80 lakhs as an initial investment, as this business model requires huge investment in stock, delivery vehicles. As of now, we have only 2 vehicles. The great manpower, labor is required, skilled, semi-skilled. Marketing is the essential of any e-commerce business. Running cost, but our bankers was that time able to, give us only 20% of the actual cost, and we could arrange of more 10% of the amount. But, that was the time when we were thinking what to do. So rather than stopping ourselves, we just have a courage and started at small level. We thought, let's start. ठीक है, थोड़े कम एरिया में चले जाएंगे, कम वेराइटी से स्टार्ट करते हैं. So we started in our own localities, in Jagatpura, now extended to Pratapnagar also. And I'm happy to share that in just 6 months of our operations, we are now serving 500 plus customers, more than 25 societies of these area. And people of all these societies, and they have very elite gentry, and we have a very good range of customers, lawyers, doctors, working professionals, everyone is there, and they name us as their daily grocery partners. We have helped them increasing their savings and stopping needless buying. So we started with very less funding, but we have reached to a level now. Now we are seeking further funding as we need more labor, more vehicle, more space, because when you need to grow, you need funds. It is required everywhere. So good promotion is required, extension of product range. And if we want, in this our field, if we want to buy goods at discount and sell at discount, we need to purchase some bulk quantity, and we need to block some funds in those bulk purchases. But I'm glad that we have reached to this level, and with the grace of God, we have a very strong management team, where we have one partner and the promoter of this idea, who is an expert from finance and strategy. So since we had very small fund and increasing and giving a boost to this big business model, kickstart to big business model, it was required that each penny should have been spent very properly. So he helped us in explaining how we can be cost effective in utilization of all the available resources. We have one partner who handles all night operations, because our operations are night, the packaging and everything is managed in night, and delivery is early morning 5 to 8. And he gives us a complete technical support, because it's an online shop. So in any online business, technical problems may be there and you requires full technical application management. We all are, in a business, whether kisi bhi background se ho, you need to understand your business and you need to be technically sound. But we had a technical person, so we are glad that it gave us an edge. Another two important thing of our business was procurement and marketing. So we have other partners who are expert in marketing and who gave us the vision how to go to new societies, how we can increase our marketing, everything, directions of going ahead. Then procurement, that's also a basic part of such kind of business model. So how we can manage low quantity and low cost and give good discounts, because we have a lot of competition in the market. So this is how we reached to this level, and now we are hoping that we will reach a new level in coming future. The important pillars of our business is actually a customer-friendly application, and it's good that people have compared us with Grofers and Big Basket and Amazons, and one of our customers have even rated us that she preferred using our application over these applications. That's a good privilege for us that people are considering us like this. A strong concept is definitely at the need of the business. Optimum utilization of available funds. Whatever we had, we have tried to utilize it in the best possible way. The operational as well as a strong management team, and I'm lucky to have that, and a strong belief on our vision. So this is how we reach to this level, and I'm happy that yes, we are moving in the right direction. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Swati. Thank you. It's really encouraging and heartening to see such young girls working and being so successful. It really shows your talent, and you manage things so well. And now we would like to invite questions from our participants. If you would like to ask her anything. Yes, yeah. Please, Sangeeta ji.
Yeah. Shivani, when are you going to start supplying to Bunny Park?
Swati. Yeah.
Ma'am, actually, we have only limited resource of one warehouse right now. Although in our vision, we have scope for 4 to 5 warehouses, at least in Jaipur, because Jaipur societies are growing and working people like us don't have time. So our application is just click on the list. So we need not to prepare a grocery list. We just go and click. Order will be automatically 11 PM automatically order generate hota hai and morning mein deliver ho jata hai. So Bunny Park, yes, madam, we are waiting for good funding. We have already started approaching good banks and venture fundings. So let's see.
Soon
we will come.
Soon.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Swati, I want to ask you one question. Are you planning to since how Sangeeta is asking? I also stay in Bunny Park, so hence I wanted to ask that are you planning to sub-distribute it sometime in the future? Like since you said that we have limited warehouse, would you like to sub-distribute it to somebody who can take that like make it more geographically reachable to people?
Yes, we can even think of, we are open to all the good options because we are new into this business, but we have, gained some experience of how this business model can be achieved. But yes, we can look forward, and if any contact details from POVI or Stand Up India scheme we can get, we will be privileged to have that. We will definitely look forward for that.
Okay, thank you.
Swati, I just want to ask, when you approach for the products from the seller, then I know it is depending on the volume you buy, but generally what is the margin you have from the seller? So that is encouraging if people know that how much they are earning through it.
Ma'am, that totally depends because, we started from 500 to 700 products and now we have reached to 2000 products already. So this actually have a wide range. So vegetables have different margins. The grocery products, if you buy in 2-3 quantity, definitely you will not get that margin, but we have to have variety also, because if you want to your customer to retain, at times we buy at without margin also. So it totally depends. We are in a very nascent stage to decide exactly what margin we are getting, but we expect at least 20% margin we will get in future. But we are in a very new stage. I mean, not sure how much margin we will be able to achieve in these starting stages.
So this margin you are talking about after meeting all the expenses?
No, expenses at current level, are very high because it's an initial investment stage, right? So current cost is also high, but
so when do you expect to meet the expenses, like the break-even point?
Ma'am,
Yeah.
at least 1 year of operation, we expect to reach to a break-even point. That's why, we have already started looking for further funding, because to expand, we need fund. To expand to new societies, we need vehicles, we need more labor. So everything is going like a vicious circle for us. But yes, we are striving our best to come out of this and reach to at least break-even point, at least in 1 year of operations.
Thank you.
Any more questions? So, okay, Swati, thank you so much.
Thank you so
And
much.